Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to see merge join transformation. For this, let us go to database. We have created two tables, person amount having 3 records. It has got only 2 columns, name and amount. The records are for Naresh, Mahesh and Ramesh. And the second table is person address. In this table there are 2 records for Naresh and Mahesh. And there are 2 columns, name and address. So name column is common between the 2 tables and these 2 records are common between the 2 tables. Whereas in the person amount table there is an extra record for Ramesh. So if there is an inner join between the 2 tables, then the inner join will consist of only 2 records, Naresh and Mahesh. Now let us go to merge join package. Now in order to carry out merge join, let us add a data flow task to our package. Let us edit it. Let us add 2 OLEDB source objects. Let us configure these OLEDB source objects. Let the uh, let the first OLEDB source object point to person amount table, right? And let the second OLEDB source object point to person address table. Now we want to join the data of these 2 tables using merge join. For that to happen, the data should be sorted. So let us sort the data. Similarly, let us sort the data from the second OLEDB source. So now the data is sorted. So we can provide this data to our merge join. Now let us configure merge join. Now merge join can play the role of inner join in our SQL queries, or it can play the role of left outer join or full outer join as compared to our SQL queries. So in this case, we will perform a inner join of an SQL query using this merge join transformation. So let us select the 3 columns that we want, name, amount and address. And the join will happen based on the common column of name. So that's why the join key is ticked for the first column, that is name column, as it is the common column between the 2 tables. Now, so output will be 3 columns, name, amount and address. Just click OK. Let us store the data output by this merge join into a table using OLEDB destination. So for this, let us configure it. Let us store this data in a new table. So let us name this new table. So this is our new table, merge join output table. Let us click OK. So the columns are mapped correctly. Okay, now let us execute our package. So as you can see, from the first table, 3 rows were added. From the second table, 2 rows were added. Out of these, using the inner join, 2 matching rows were output along with the 3 columns that we have specified. So now let us see, Let us verify in our database whether the new table has been created with the required data or not. So we go to the new table which has been created. We can see that the common records of Naresh and Mahesh are present in the new table with the respective amounts and with the respective address. Thank you.